because this question is involve chemical reactions. So first we must have write a balanced chemical equations. Okay, to balance the equation, okay, because this question already have the balanced equation, so I just copy down. Okay, we answer to the question. Okay, so this chemical equation, the in front the equal, can you see this one? The produce sign, okay, in front all this is reactant. Okay, this is reactant. So the behind this equal sign is product. Okay, so to answer the A question, what is the reactant? Name. Okay, the question asks us to name. So we must give the name. Name of this one H2O2. So what is H2O2 name? So the name is hydrogen peroxide. So to answer the B question, okay, what is the product? So based on the equation, the product is water and oxygen. So the name of the product, okay, product, just now this one is reactant. So the product is water and oxygen. Okay, then the C question. C question asks us to calculate, okay, the volume produced from the oxygen. So the equation, from the question we know the equation. Okay, what is the volume? Volume of the oxygen. But from the question statement, as we know, 30.6 grams of hydrogen peroxide is used. Then asking how much the volume of oxygen is produced. So from here, this is the information given. Then we have to find the volume of oxygen. So first, we must calculate the number of mole. Okay, number of mole for this one, hydrogen peroxide. As the question given is the gram, is the mass. So from the mass, how we get the mole? Okay, the number of mole of hydrogen peroxide in this experiment equal to, what is this mass? Okay, mass is 30.6. Okay, as we learn, okay, the previous chapter, number of mole equal to mass divided by molar mass. Okay, this is the molar mass. Molar mass. So how much the molar mass for hydrogen peroxide? Okay, the molar mass for hydrogen peroxide. How we calculate? So we just take this, okay, H2O2 molar mass. So how to calculate? 2 hydrogen plus 2 oxygen. Oxygen RAM is 16. So equal to 2 plus the 32. So equal to 34. Molar mass, the unit is gram per mole. So we put in here 34. So 30.6 divided by 34 equal to, okay, from the calculator, equal to 0.9 mole. Okay, mole is a very huge number. Okay, it's bigger than the trillion, million, and so on. Okay, as before teacher mentioned, okay, 1 mole is equal to 6.03 times 10 to the power of 23. Okay, is a quantity. Okay, but is that we already answer the volume of oxygen? Not yet. What we get is the number of mole for hydrogen peroxide. But how much the number of mole for the oxygen produced? How much the number of mole of oxygen produced? In the chemistry, everything we are talking about how many mole. Okay, how many mole? So hydrogen peroxide is 0.9 is in this experiment. So how much the oxygen produced? How many mole? So based on the chemical equation, we know here is 2, then here is how much? Here is 1. Okay, it's 1. That means, okay, this is the first question. This is the second. Okay, this is the third. Okay, how much the number of mole? Number of mole of the oxygen produced. Okay, then from the equation we know 1 mole, sorry, 2 mole, 2. Okay, 2 mole H2O2 will produce 1 mole oxygen. But in this case, it's not 2 mole. It's only 0.9 mole. This is follow standard. Not follow standard, according to the chemical equation. This is 2 and will produce this one part. So, but in this case, it's just 0.9 mole H2O2. So how much mole of oxygen will produce? This one 2, then this one 1. This one 0.9. This one is how much? Cross multiply. So it's 0.9 divided by 2. So we get is 0.45. Don't forget, must write the mole. Okay, so it's 0.45 mole of oxygen. Is that we already answered the question? Not yet. We still not yet answer the question. Question is asking how much the volume of oxygen produced. Until here, we just calculate the quantity. Okay, the quantity, number of mole of oxygen is 0.45 mole. So finally, as we know, okay, volume equal to number of mole times the molar volume. So number of mole times the molar volume in the STP case is 24. So 0.45 times 24 equal to 10.8 decimeter cube. Okay, hope everyone you can try again if you get wrong, and teacher welcome you to ask me more questions about any question you are facing when you are try to solve the question teacher given. Okay, so hope you can understand from this video.